To log in to our Client Care Center, our team will create a profile and the login credentials will be sent over an email. Please open the link and enter the login details. In the right top corner, you will see your profile name. By clicking on the profile name, you may access My Profile. Also, to log out. In My Profile, you may add your user details like phone number, the company name, select the time zone, set the working hours, and your signature for public comments. Also, you may change the email address and create your own unique login password to the Client Care Center. On the left side, in the Ticket tab, you may access your created tickets. On the Open Tickets list, you may see the created ticket and the status of the ticket. By double-clicking on the title of the ticket, you may access the ticket. Once you access the ticket, you will see the details, the comments, and add your comments to the ticket. To create a new ticket, click on Create New. On this window, by default your site client's name will be displayed. You may select the product, the module, type of the ticket, add the title for this ticket, and the description. You may add a picture or a screenshot by simply drag and drop into the description field. Also, add the preferred contact person, time, and method for our team to contact you. Click on Create, and the ticket is created and will be displayed on the Open Ticket list. Also, you may delete a ticket. When there is an update on your ticket, you will get a notification in the top right corner. In the comment section of the ticket, you will see our response, and you may add additional comment. In the Documents tab, you will see all the uploaded documentation regarding our product. There is a helpful FAQ section. In the Release Notes, you may see our product release notes, and you may see and add additional accounts to your Client Care Center. To log out from the Client Care Center, click on your company name and click on Log Out.